Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert combo chart in Excel. So very easily you can insert it by follow some few steps. So firstly you need to select area like this and click on insert. Now here this option chart, just click on it and more pie charts. And here you see this so many charts are showing. You need to simply click this last combo and here the whole style will be there. Select which you like this, select it and press OK. So very easily you can insert this chart. So this way you can insert and customize it. So this is style, color or more in customize. So this way you can insert. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful and interesting videos.